Saying what is the best in any treatment is impossible. Depends on the patient, depends on the condition, depends on the psychology of the patient, depends on the physiology of the patient, depends on the size of the tongue, depends on where they sleep, on the side or on the back. There are so many situations in which the use of one of these treatments you're observing is better than some of the others. The most common one is oral appliances, but the gold standard is the third one down, the CPAP. Many people can't wear a CPAP comfortably. Look up and down that line and you'll see many over-the-counter things that adequately work in many of the situations. You'll see some other behavioral things like sleeping on your side and not your back, avoiding alcohol, not getting too fat. There are numerous things that they can do themselves. There are other things that only you can do, and then there are some in sleep medicine that only a sleep physician can do. This is a team effort. There is not a best treatment for snoring and sleep apnea. Take a look at our video. You'll see the various aspects of this that help you to make the decision. For continuing information from us, please go to our website, pccdental.com. There are constantly changing informational and educational pieces there that we would love to have you see.